Today I'm going to be showing you Abandoned Factory Buildings, which is free from Epic Games. And we want to add it to our project, but before we do that we need to create a project. So we want to just create a third-person character. And then once we do that, then we can add this to the project. Now I've added it to the project. We want to go to our content folder. We want to go to our abandoned factory, and we want to go to maps, and then we want to go to warehouse 1. We got a lot of maps. I'm just going to go ahead and click on this one here. Now you'll be compiling shaders and loading it and all that. I've already done all that. It'll take a while. There's a lot of content to it. Alright, here we are. Close out of this. And here's our factory buildings. I'm going to hit play. And just move around, see what we have here. Got some really nice looking water. Lots of stuff. Really nice scene. It's very realistic. Bricks look great. Can't see to go through there. But in any case, you see what it looks like, and it looks really good. So I'm going to exit out of this, and I'm going to go here to just see what all is on here. See, it's a pretty big map. Lots of places to go. But this isn't the only map that it has. So I'm going to go over here to another map. And here's one that's night. And main warehouse. So they've got lots of other maps, but I'm not going to try them all. And here's the night view of the map. I'll hit play. Windows are all lit up, nice. Got a moon. Yeah, can't see to go through there. Looks like I can even see the ceiling through that one window there. Nice relaxing sound. this looks like a really good map to build a game with. Start the game, edit the way you want. But anyway, if you want more videos like this, be sure to like. Otherwise, I probably won't be making any more of these games if people don't like them. Thank you for watching.